Everyone wants to lose lower belly fat, but most guys fail over and over, not because they're lazy, but because they're doing the right things at the wrong stage of fat loss. You think something is wrong with your body, when in reality, you're just quitting right before it actually starts working. Now, I'm not going to overcomplicate this. Lower belly fat comes down to one thing. You just need to get lean enough for it to disappear. That's it. No special exercises, no targeted fat loss. If you don't understand this, you'll stay stuck no matter what you do. Because fat loss isn't local, you don't choose where fat comes off. When you're in a calorie deficit, your body pulls fat from everywhere, based on your genetics and storage patterns. And for most guys, lower belly fat and love handles are simply the last areas to go. Think of it like draining a pool. The water level drops evenly, but the deepest part is always the last to disappear. That's your lower belly fat. And what usually happens is this. You start training, you fix your diets. A few weeks in, weight drops, face looks leaner, clothes fit better, but the mirror stays the same in one area. Lower belly fat still there, love handles still there. And now you think something must be wrong with my approach. So naturally, you try harder. More ab workouts, more fat burning routines, sometimes eating less and less. But nothing changes that area. And this is where most people spiral. Effort goes up, but results don't follow. But you're not stuck. You're just judging process based on the final stage of fat loss, while you're still in the middle of it. Most people get leaner, but never actually lean enough. They stop at 16-20% body fat because progress slows, motivation drops, and visually it feels like nothing is happening. But that stubborn fat, that's the final stretch, meaning you're quitting right before it shows. So let's make this practical, because most guys don't actually know if they're on track or just guessing. Here's how to tell where you actually stand. If your body weight isn't changing week to week, you're not in a real deficit. If you're losing more than 1% of your body weight per week, you're pushing too aggressively and risking burning out. If your strength is dropping hard in the gym, recovery is suffering. And if your physique looks identical 3 to 4 weeks in, you're not consistent enough with the process. This is just a quick way to see if your approach is actually working or not. The sweet spot is 0.5 to 1% body weight loss per week while maintaining most of your strength. That's what real progress looks like. And this is why most guys still fail. You already understand the basics: calorie deficit, strength training, and progressive overload. The problem isn't knowledge, it's execution over time. Most people are inconsistent with calories, don't track properly, or keep changing their approach every few weeks. So they never stay in one system long enough for fat loss to actually build up and show. The solution is simple. Pick one approach and actually run it long enough for your body to respond. Most people don't fail because they don't know what to do. They fail because they change the process before it has time to show results. So keep it simple. Small sustainable deficit, track body weight weekly, train with progressive overload, and commit for 8 to 12 weeks minimum. No switching, no restarting, no overthinking. That's how fat loss actually compounds. And when you zoom out, the process becomes simple. People don't fail because the method doesn't work. They fail because they judged the process too early. The lower belly isn't where fat loss starts showing. It's where it finishes. And that's exactly why most people quit right before they would have finally seen the result. And if you're stuck in that exact loop, knowing what to do but not staying consistent long enough to see results, I work with guys one-on-one to fix that with a structured plan and clear direction. If you want help applying this to your own situation, you can apply for coaching, first link in the description. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.